Hello, this is going to be my final project presentation. This is by Terry Phillips, myself. So my first user story is, as a user, I want to see playlist details so that I can see what songs are playing and remove songs I have added. So here on the right, we really don't need to look at the class diagram here. All this was bootstrap stuff that we had worked on the front end. On this one, as a user, I want to see other users in the session so that I can see who's in the session. Here we can look at the class diagram and see that as a user object, we have a user ID, which is a string. We have the ability to search, add track, and remove tracks. Here we'll send that object up to the database and we are able to store that user ID. So next we have, as a host, I want to have the Spotify database session playlist connect with my current playing Spotify playlist so that my friends can add and remove songs. So let's jump back here because the diagram got cut off. So let's start right here. Here, each session has a session ID. It has one queue and it can have many users. So each user, they have the ability to search, add track, and remove track. This is just some functionalities each users have. Each user, they can make many Spotify API requests. In doing so, they need to either insert a track name or an artist or an album name. Once they send that up, we set it to where they're only going to turn a range of 0 to 10 tracks. This track will include a JSON file, but what we want is the artist name, album image URL, album name, track name, and then image ID, or track ID, sorry. Once we return this back, we'll go ahead and add it to the Spotify, and then following that add to the Spotify, we'll go ahead and add it into the database. That way we keep the lists in a very synchronized. Other than that, that is the conclusion of my individual presentation.